to the flood situation in Himachal Pradesh. Well, the state has suffered a loss of over 75 crore rupees due to torrential rain that has occurred across the state during the past 10 days. Also, as many as 259 link roads across the state remain closed as we speak. There's a red alert that's been issued for 10 districts. And as per the state's Met Department, heavy rain is very likely to continue across the state till the 5th of July, as yellow weather warnings have also been issued for various districts of Himachal Pradesh for the next few days. There are also landslide warnings for several districts, and an advisory has been issued for residents along with tourists. My colleague Gurpreet has been taking stock of the situation. He joins us from Yamunanagar at the moment with a live update. Gurpreet, how bad is it this morning?
Well, we have seen in Himachal Pradesh, multiple level advisory had been issued to the local administration. We have seen the multiple roads have already been blocked because of a landslide which were happening there. But not only Himachal Pradesh, we are reporting from Haryana and specifically from Yamunanagar, where we are showing this is the Saraswati sugar mill, where we have seen that there was a huge water logging because from Saturday onward there was the continuous rain which was happening in this area. And what we have learned from these employees and officials of the sugar mill, they say there was a huge water logging because the local administration was not able to clean the drains because of this monsoon season. And specifically in this godown, I'll request my visitor to show all these picture. In this godown, huge stock has been stored by this sugar mill, and what we have learned, around damage of 50 crore sugar had been reported from this place. It has already put a question mark over the local administration why they are not able to make proper preparation to combat and grapple with the situation in monsoon. And we have seen the official, they have been putting out that water from these godowns with using the electric motors so that there should not be further damage. So if we can talk about the monsoon season, not only Himachal Pradesh has been affected because of a continuous rain. We have seen the multiple landslide had been taken place in Himachal Pradesh, and a lot of roads had been blocked. But in Haryana also we have seen there is a huge impact, and specifically if we can talk about Yamunanagar, water logging had been seen in the various locations, and this was because of the continuous rain which has been happening from Saturday onward. And specifically this Saraswati sugar mill is the worst affected as of now. We have seen these all godowns, they are full of water. There is a water logging inside these godowns, and they are using the electric motor to draw that water out so that they will be able to save sugar stock which has been stored in these godowns. Back to studio.